sesame cookies. We're going to start with the dough, and I got a little bit of vegetable shortening here, right? So I got some vegetable shortening. I got some sugar. I got some baking powder. I got some vanilla. Okay. And I got some eggs. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to start to cream this up, and I'm going to mix our eggs in there. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. And this is a
Bada
very
bing, bada
simple,
boom. Hoboken
this is a,
style.
you know it. And this is a very simple pasta frolla, like just like the Italian short dough, right? That you can make a crust with. You can make a pasticciata di got, sesame cookies, you name it. So now I got that in. I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Whoa, I got some on me. It's all right, Rach. And now, lastly, I'm going to add our flour in. So I'm just going to kind of scoop that in there, nice and easy. And you really can't mess this dough up because it's going to all come together. You're going to mix it nice.
I love that you brought that up, but that you can use this for so many bases, right?
This is the base for everything. Pasta frolla and Italian baking is like the mother dough, right? So you're going to let that kind of come together. You mix it. And what we used to do was every day we had the leftover pasta frolla, we would refrigerate it and make another 5 pounds of the dough and throw the other
Right,
dough
and
into
just
it
marry it. Yep.
and just marry it together. So after it's mixed, it comes out and it looks like this. Okay. Just going to clean up here for a sec. And we got our dough. We're going to take some of our dough here. We don't even need that much of it. I'm just going to take this. And now I'm just going to work it by hand, right? And this is one of the first things that I learned with my dad is I remember being a little boy.
Do you remember the first dish you ate? It was probably like an easy and beasy, like rice and peas or some pasta, simple pasta with broth.
Oh,
And
yeah, it was
or
pasta and
something.
cream cheese. You know, that was the Italian baby food, the pasta with cream cheese. So, yeah, I remember my dad just, being a master with this dough on the bench. And he would just kind of, just go to town on it. So I'm just going to roll this out into these like little logs, right? And the trick with this is you have to soak the sesame seeds in some water, which I did. And then you put them on like a sieve and you let them drain. And that's where I have this pan here that's been sitting. So these are like damp, okay? They're not wet, they're damp.
I got you.
And now that I got these like this, I'm gonna cut these little, let's say, chunks, we'll call them, these like little logs. So
They look like gnocchi.
Yeah, like little gnocchi. Okay. So now I'm just going to take these and just kind of like roll them around in that wet sesame seeds. And the trick is you pick up a glob of sesame seeds in your hand and then you do the final roll so that you get a nice coating.
Yay!
It's like rolling a meatball. That's it. You take it. And then after you bake these probably like 350 for about like 20 minutes, you get a beautiful cookie like this. Rachel, I don't know where to begin because I love you so much. Honestly, you are such an inspiration to me. Watching you on camera has taught me so much. You are the master at it. And what a friend and so many great memories. Honestly, congratulations. 17 seasons. I mean, insane.
Buddy,
Insane.
I want to keep working, and I want you to promise me you'll keep working with me. Okay?
Amen, Rachel. I love nobody more, and there is not a harder working person or anyone better than you. You are the best at what you do, and I mean that, my friend.